Why quality roof installation matters for your home's longevity and value. A quality roof installation ensures durability, longevity, and protection against harsh weather conditions. Proper installation safeguards your home by preventing water damage, enhancing wind resistance, improving insulation, and minimizing maintenance costs. Key techniques, such as precise nailing, proper flashing, and accurate shingle alignment, are critical to avoiding leaks, sagging, and structural issues. To ensure top-notch results, hire certified professionals, check reviews, and schedule inspections to verify the quality of the work. When paired with regular maintenance and inspections, a well-installed roof becomes a long-term investment, providing peace of mind and preserving your home's value and structural integrity. Invest in excellence.